Welcome to the World Air Forces. Royal Saudi Air Force. Founded June 1920. Combat aircrafts. F-15E Strike Eagle, origin United States, type strike fighter, in service 154. F-15CD Eagle, origin United States, type air superiority, in service 83. Eurofighter Typhoon, origin United Kingdom, type multi-role, in service 72. Tornado IDS, origin Italy United Kingdom, type multi-role, in service 81. Airborne Early Warning and Control Aircrafts. Boeing E-3, origin United States, type Airborne Early Warning and Control, in service 5. Saab 2000, origin Sweden, type Airborne Early Warning and Control, in service 2. Electronic Warfare Aircrafts. Boeing E-3, origin United States, type Signal Intelligence, in service 1. Beechcraft Super King Air, origin United States, type Signal Intelligence, in service 5. Tanker aircrafts. Boeing KC-707, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 7. KC-130 Super Hercules, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 9. Airbus A330 MRTT, origin France, type aerial refueling transport, in service 6. Transport aircrafts. B Jetstream, origin United Kingdom, type VIP transport, in service 1. Gulfstream IV, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 2. Cessna Citation II, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 4. Beechcraft Super King Air, origin United States, type transport, in service 10. C-130 Hercules, origin United States, type tactical airlifter, in service 33. Helicopters. Bell 212, origin United States, type utility, in service 24. Bell 412, origin United States, type utility, in service 16. Sikorsky UH-60, origin United States, type utility, in service 2. Eurocopter AS-532, origin France, type utility search and rescue, in service 13. Trainer aircrafts. B Hawk, origin United Kingdom, type advanced trainer, in service 65. Pilatus PC-21, origin Switzerland, type advanced trainer, in service 55. SR-22, origin United States, type light trainer, in service 25. PAC MFI 17, origin Pakistan, type primary trainer, in service 20.